What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about how to quickly generate 5-minute AI videos. This will be using TopView's Agent V2 CR 2.0. I'm going to be walking you through the entire thing. If you're new here, my name is Founder Drew. I cover AI and business, AI tools, guides, and this entire free guide will be in the first link in the description. If I'm having trouble speaking, I have teeth whiteners in. Those of you that have watched me for a little bit now, we do these in one take. Very authentic. If you want any of these free guides for any of my daily videos, they are all housed in the AI Academy. This is my free school community. We're already up to around 500 members, and we just revamped it last week. If you go into Classroom, we have a free course, Q&A recordings, private coaching, all the guides, all the videos, and even some discount codes. So if you go in here, this is right where the guide will be. So we're going to walk through this guide. This is the exact workflow I've used for generating multi-shot cinematic AI videos that can be up to 5 minutes long. As I said, this is using TopView's Agent V2 and CR 2.0. No jumping between different tools. This is all on one platform, one interface. So what is TopView? TopView is an all-in-one AI creative platform. Instead of bouncing between different tools, CapCut, video editing, Nano Banana, everything lives in one dashboard. What you get access to when you sign up, and this video is not sponsored. I wish it was, but I think these guys just have a great tool. You get AI video generation, CR 2.0, image generation from ChatGPT, Image 2. Wow, this is really hard to speak with these in, guys. This will be my last time doing it with teeth whiteners in. Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, Ideogram, and more. Pre-built templates, social media content, AI ads, and a community feed. You can scroll the homepage and see what other people are building as well over here. We're going to focus on the generator today. You have some examples here of stuff people have built. So getting started, you want to sign up for TopView. You can just search TopView AI. This is what the landing page should look like. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Navigate to the Agent V2 model. This is the new feature and gives you access to CR 2.0. So we're going to go over to Agent V2 here. Great. And I had a prompt I wanted to use. Let me copy that over. Great. Awesome. So what is Agent V2? Think of Agent V2 as ChatGPT fused together with CArt. It's not a basic prompt-to-video tool. It's an AI assistant that can understand what you're trying to create, automatically enhances your prompts, which I think is pretty underrated, especially when you're trying to make quick B-roll or a quick video, breaks your idea into multiple cinematic shots, gives you creative control over every individual shot, and generates videos up to 5 minutes long. And this is the key unlock. CArt on its own generates 5 to 10 second clips, and Agent V2 stacks them together. You guys give me 1 second here. Great. So the workflow, step by step. Step 1, enter your prompt. Open the Agent V2 interface and paste your prompt into the prompt box. Great, we've done that here. Step 2, review the agent submissions. It will enhance it, analyze your intent, significantly enhance your prompt, and break it into multiple cinematic shots. So I have a 2-step shot here. Character approaches the door, and then the character opens the door slowly, 3-step, and then the character steps aside and looks around. All right, we're going to sign up here. Ooh, what email do I want to use? I'll just use this one. I think it should be this quick and easy to sign up. Yep. Great. We'll go back here. We'll paste our prompt back in. Yeah, I don't need that. Great. And it's going to run. Awesome. So while that's running, actually, let's leave it here while it runs. As you can see on the left side here, it's going to start planning. And this is what I talked about, where it's much more of an agent versus just we're going to have it just generate the video here. These are the plans. One congruent task. Again, we're just going to be on the free for the constraints of this video. And as you can see here, it's already generated the script of how it wants to go. Awesome. We're not going to get credits for that right now because we're on a different account. And as you saw me do, you can choose your path. So you can either insert or you can insert and generate. And then after review and edit, after a couple minutes, you get a video with multi-shot that cuts cinematically from scene to scene. You can also upload a reference image, extend or trim, rewrite the prompt, or regenerate. Prompting techniques was also something I wanted to cover quickly. Describe your scene shot by shot. Instead of a character walks into a room, this is the example we just used where it's shot by shot. Match cuts describe a visual transition. The character throws the ball. Match cut to the ball landing in a completely different scene. You can also do slow motion, and you can also have character consistency. So again, I'm not going to top up here, but this is the basic run through of how you would generate a video. The 5-minute video secret, here's the actual playbook for long form videos. See how it generates the clips. Agent V2 lets it run multiple shots, which we talked about you can do. You extend each individual shot duration, and then you stack shots back to back. The best use cases I've found for this, and for generating revenue for me personally, has been ads, for one. I'll have a full course on this in the AI Academy Plus, maybe a few teasers in the free school, link in the description. I've seen some people do like video generation to sell PDFs and stuff like that as well. UGC style ads are also great. And a quick reference cheat sheet. What you want to know of how to prompt multi-shot, shot 1, shot 2, which we talked about. Make sure you're insert and generating, insert only. Yeah, I think that's about it, guys. This was just a fun guide I wanted to make quick. Of how to quickly generate these videos. If there's any questions, drop a comment down below. I respond to every single one. Subscribe. Deuces.